there's going to be a third world war. And after World War III, who knows what's left after World War III? So there's arguably this race between, do we become a multi-planet species or World War III? Which one is first? And if World War III is first, then maybe we never get to another planet. Shit.
Humanity really is not evolved to think of existential threats in general. We're evolved to think about things that are very close to us, near term, to be upset with other humans, and not to really to think about things that could destroy humanity as a whole.
Like, there are more advanced weapons that the US has that people don't know about.
You're almost a strategic weapon in modern warfare. How do you see your role in that context? Ukraine shows that there are opportunities, that you're needed.
SpaceX and Tesla are not forced to develop any kind of weapons technology. Obviously, we would only do such a thing if it was the last resort. We're really playing a crazy game here. Civilization is globalized, and so civilization, I think, now rises and falls together. There's no geographic isolation. This is a big risk. There's likely to be another Dark Ages, which it seems, my guess is there probably will be, particularly if there's a Third World War.
There's a whole generation coming through who seem really sad about the future. What would you say to them?
Learn the lessons of history such that we do not repeat the mistakes of the past.
Too many of us think it is impossible. We need not accept that view. Our problems are man-made. Therefore, they can be solved by man.
I find history fascinating. Just help you understand the nature of civilization. They rise and they fall. You look at great civilizations like ancient Egypt, and they were able to make the pyramids, and they forgot how to do that. And the Romans, they built these incredible aqueducts. They forgot how to do it. If we can make civilization last for 1 million years or something, we probably will know much more of the answer. And I date civilization from, like I said, the first writing. It was like 5,000 years ago. Just practically no time at all. So if we were to last 1 million more years, then like we're barely at the beginning of civilization. Like if civilization does last 1 million years, we will be seen, they'll think of us as like ancient, like we would be like cavemen type of thing, Well, I think if you want the future to be good, you must make it so. Take action to make it good, and it will be.